Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Boldly Goes Modelworks. Now, we've got a little bit of an unboxing of some goodies and an inbox review for you. So, we'll put this to one side for the moment and we'll have a look in this box, because this comes from Outlaw Paints UK from Moz. I ordered these paints on Monday. It's now Wednesday, and I got them today, so I should have got them yesterday, but hey ho. Royal Mail were on a go slow. I'm not sure why. So we'll have a look at the paints. We'll have a look at what's in the box. Yep, another Outlaw sticker. Put the what's it away. I've got some very well packed paints in a ton of bubble wrap. In an awful lot of bubble wrap, I may hasten to add. I can see them. This is what you call Pass the Parcel Extreme Edition. Ugh. Well, that was the extra dark sea grey. This one's the RAF medium grey. And this one's the RAF dark green, which is what I need for my fly sander. So hopefully, time permitting, and obviously mum permitting, I shall get on with her. Get on with that. We have some more paints here. We have some Oscam black, some light aircraft grey, and some more RAF white. So well done, Moss. You got my order right. Yay! Cheers. Thanks for that, Moss. Brilliant. So obviously I'll use some of that paint when I'm doing my kit build. I'm doing spoilers. There's the Lysander, waiting for a green to be painted. So let's have a look at this distraction. So Airfix starter set, 1/43 Land Rover Series 1 pickup. Kit number is A5012. Signifies 8 years plus. Now this is a 2023 release, it says there. Obviously licensed by Land Rover, cartograph and various warning gubbins there. Obviously colour scheme on it. Obviously important bit too, what's it for the scale. Ends of the box exactly like the front, there and there. So let's just check to make sure I'm in camera. Yep, I am. And let's move these Outlaw paints out of the way and onto my painting table. Now our painting table is literally only a few feet away, so I'm not going to worry about pausing that. So I was saying that video, and it'd be messy. It will show what a messy person I am, because it shows I've got a messy bench there. So let's unbox the kit here. Now, bizarrely enough, I believe this kit is by Ethan. Why am I opening both ends, you idiot? Never mind. Just open one end. Obviously, skill level 1, flying hours 1. So I literally ordered this kit at the same time as the Typhoon, which is sitting up in on my other workbench drying. There's the instructions, paintbrush, the kit there, paints, that horrible glue, and obviously your gubbins here. Oh, anti-decal's fallen off the floor. So let's have a look at this Series 1 pickup. Put the paintbrush in my pot. Now, obviously a little bit of history of the Land Rover. Maximum speed a heady 61 mile an hour. 0 to 60, 107 seconds. You'd be pulling the G's on that one. 58 horsepower. Length 4,407 millimeter. Width 1,590 millimeters. So best result wash parts. Yep, we know that. This one shows obviously assembly instructions and the part layout there. Very familiar with the removing the bits there. Screw nibs, fitting the parts on here, gluing the glazing in place, showing all the parts there. Fairly straightforward. Putting the lights on. Showing you where to glue it here. And page 2 of the instructions. Again, building up the body. Putting on the sides. Windows in there. So you might want to use some of this stuff to glue the glazing in. Obviously we're showing all the back tailgate, the beginnings of the chassis, and the drivetrain. So I've got to make sure it's all fair. And this is my this is the last page here. So fitting the last parts of the chassis, painting up the wheels, caution there. Obviously this has got I think this has got flats on the wheels. Again, fitting the wheels on, fitting the spare on, putting the decals on. Fairly simple that way. Obviously contents lists. That's got some fun in the morning. Yeah, this one's got the same advice for supervising adults and safety rules. So that's the instruction booklet. Look at the decals. Instrument dials, very basic. And your Land Rover and your registration plate. That's worth a few bob now, I suspect. RYD. Let's have a look. That's your basically your your tech tips, as it what if you for want of a better word, on how to make the kit. So I'll put those in the box, and then I shall open this bag up. So cut it along there. Obviously pop the parts out here. Yep, we've got one part suicided off. We'll keep the bag. Again, that's a little bit of a little axle in there, and your glazing's in a bag. That's nice. Oh, I see, yeah. It's alright, mad panic there, so obviously they go on like that. Right. So let's find, that's the A sprue. We'll see a nice lot of detail on the chassis. There, the underside, and the overs, and the top with the eject pin gates there, and the push pins all on this bit, but they're all hidden. That's good. In the cab seats going on there, steering wheel, getting the wheels done. Nice bit of the what's the interior on the sidewall there. Obviously, some care's going to be needed cutting this bit of sprue out of there. So that's the A sprue. Again, we've got a nice bit of suspension there on the chassis. A little bit of sink on there, but you won't notice because it's all hidden under the vehicle. So that's the A sprue. Again, this is the B sprue. Obviously all the wheels. Have they got any maker's mark on them? No, can't see one. Again, the iconic front grille of the Land Rover. Looks lovely. Bonnet, roof, all the suspension greeblies there, and drive points. Again, similar side on that side for the detail on that. Yep, very nice it is too. It's a fairly quick build anyway. So where does that part come? That little part. That little part comes off there. A27 is this part here. So I'll just get some tape and tape that on there, so I won't lose it. Because that would be embarrassing, because I'll have the wheels on it like so. Put those back in the bag. Now let's have a look at the glaze. We'll just have a look at the glazing. I'm sure it will be lovely. Would help if my blade wasn't blunt. There we go. Nice and clear. Fairly straightforward to mask. This will be. You can have some fun with this kit. A little landy. Oh, sorry, I've got hiccups. This little landy. Put that bag down there. And finally, let's have a look at the paints. Notice I didn't cut that side, Gary. Paints 11, that's silver. 196, I think, is grey. That's 96. It's a chassis colour, and that's 33. And that's the stupid glue. Oh yeah, that brings back memories, that glue. Let's start with the black. Looks good. Silver. That looks good. Spilt a bit there. 196. Looks slightly manky, but obviously it needs stirring, but it's wet. And this one's a slightly the different pot. That's the blue for the chassis. There we go. So the paints look quite usable. Well, they would be usable if I was going to use them. Put them back in the bag. So that's a quick inbox review of the Airfix's Land Rover, and huge thank you to Moz for supplying some Outlaw paints. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.